Now dear student, we are going to discuss this question number 7.8, and in this question it is given to you, suppose the initial charge on the capacitor in exercise 7.7 is 6 millicoulomb. Find what is the total energy stored in circuit initially and what is total energy at later time. Clear? So now we can see here this is inductor, and let's suppose I can say this is capacitor. Clear? It is given in this question initial charge stored, this is given to you 6 millicoulomb. Clear? Okay. Now what is initial energy stored? I can say this is given by Q naught square divided by 2C. This formula you know very well. Clear? Value of Q naught, I can say this is 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 multiply 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by. Now what is value of capacitance? So if you see previous question, you can say here 30 microfarad capacitance we have. So I can write like this, 2 into 30 into 10 to the power minus 6. We can say this one and this one cancelled out. Clear? And I can say this one is 5. Yes. So from here you can say initial energy, this is given by 0.6 joule. Clear? 0.6 joule. Clear? This is initial energy. Clear? Now it is asking to you what is total energy at later time. Now what will happen? Initially when capacitor is fully charged, definitely here the charge will flow in this direction. Clear? And actually sum of electric energy at particular instant, sum of electric energy is converting into this magnetic energy. Clear? And definitely you can say here energy stored in a form of half of Li square. Clear? After some time, when this capacitor is fully discharged, all the total energy it is due to this magnetic energy, or we can say half of Li square. After that again there is a conversion of this magnetic energy into electrical energy. So actually you will find here oscillation of charges, and you will find that each time whenever we are discussing about, if we are taking total as a system, we can say some of energy is shared by capacitor, some of its energy is shared by inductor. Clear? But if I am talking about total energy of system always remain same. Clear? So I can say if we have initial energy 0.6 joule. Clear? You can say, sir, what about energy initially in inductor? That is 0, because the charge is not flowing. So when charge will flow at the time, let's suppose 0.3 joule energy having in a capacitor, so 0.3 joule of energy it is stored by inductor. Clear? So like this we can say total energy of this circuit that always remain same. Clear? So correct answer we have total energy at any time, you can say this is always equal to 0.6 joule. Yes, we never say that there is an equal distribution of energy in capacitor and inductor. Clear? Definitely sometimes the capacitor energy will be more, and we can say this half of Li square, that energy is less. Clear? Sometimes it may be possible this energy will be more and this one is less, but total amount of energy always remain same. Clear? So this is all about this question.